let's start directly by our journey today. We are going to clarify our mindset, to make the correct mindset about artificial intelligence. The importance about the correct mindset is to have a correct perception when we hear about artificial intelligence. When we hear the word of artificial intelligence, what come in our mind? So that's part of our human intelligence. What comes to our mind when we hear one definition? That's the mental construction or the mindset of ourselves about which includes the definition of this word. So that's when we hear about artificial intelligence. When we come out of this session, we need to understand that artificial intelligence is not something mysterious, and it's not something bulletproof. It's always correct and makes only the perfect things. Also, it's not something an enemy. So it's not an enemy. So it's not going to replace our work in maintenance, or not going to replace any work, any place in the world. It's going to enhance the work. It's going to be our friend. So we are going to start by understanding what is artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence works. Then we are going to see some of the tools that is going to enhance the maintenance. And after that, we need to have the correct mindset, why we need to be ready for the AI era in maintenance. So let's start directly by the definition of AI. So AI simply is an ability. So like our human intelligence is our intelligence ability, or our ability to solve problems or make new situations, or come out of hard situations, or find a hard solution for hard problems and so on. It is simply same for the computer. So artificial intelligence is for computers. It's to imitate human intelligent functions, or to use its own intelligent functions. So they are both the same. Good. The intelligence is usually defined by humans. So we as humans have the intelligence, or the intelligent functions that we are going to see in the coming slides. And then to make a computer being intelligent, it should have the same functions we are having as humans being intelligent. So it's either, we can say that it's intelligent, artificial intelligence, or intelligent computer needs to learn, needs to make some judgments, needs to understand, needs to make opinions, make its own mindset or mental constructions, which we call the model of the agent that is going to solve the problem we present